Hey guys, Malcolm here today, Espressotec Sales and Service. We're still in the Barista Lab, checking out our ECM machines. We're going to move on to our next unboxing. We're going to be unboxing the Electronika 2 Profi, also from ECM. Again, these machines are German made. Let's check it out. So, we've got our nice accessory packs with our plumbing hose, our instruction booklet. We get a single and a double portafilter. Good weight to those. Brush, group head brush, tamper, back flush disc, and how do I get this drip tray out? There we are, drip tray. Set this aside. Let's get our machine out. Wow, this is packed real nice and sturdy. Big machine. Okay. So again, heavy machine we're going to lift with our knees. And there she goes. Doesn't that look nice? ECM logo there, manufactured in Germany. Let's turn around and let's see the other side. So, this machine's kind of neat because it's an E61 group head, but it's got a dosing panel instead of the levers that you would normally have on the side. So what you can do here is a espresso, long espresso, 2 espressos, or a 2 long espressos. Let's put on our drip tray and see how it looks all together. That clicks in real nice. Actually, let's do that. Toggle switches, pressure gauges here. That machine looks beautiful. I'm really looking forward to have some fun with this. Alright guys, if you guys want to learn more about the machine, check out the specs. They're all available on our website, Espressotec.com. If you're interested in learning more and just hearing more about it, call our store. See ya!